How are you? Hope you are well. This is Sisan in front of you. I'm a student, English honors from National University. Now I am doing a foundation course at Bright English Academy in Manikganj. This is my English Bright English Academy course, and recently we get an ID card from this academy, and it's very outstanding and very smooth place and very unique environment for our English learning. You all can come here and make your development in your English skills, and you you can see that this is a smooth place for our English improvement, and it's all students, all teachers are very friendship, and they are very modern and decent elements for our English learning. Thank you so much, everyone.